Welcome back. In this video, I will discuss what is the OpenAI Codex. I will discuss in the detail what is the OpenAI and how the OpenAI is very useful and benefit for any of the developer in the IT industry. So let's start with the understanding of what is exactly OpenAI Codex. So OpenAI AI is a AI powered coding agent from OpenAI. OpenAI, one of the organization who developed the ChatGPT that help developer write, debug, test, and manage the software using the natural language prompt. So the question come in the mind that we already have the ChatGPT in the market, then why the OpenAI came in the market? So that will also I will cover in the detail what exactly difference between the OpenAI and ChatGPT in my next lecture. So I will provide you complete detail so you will have some better understanding why the codex come in the market. So before start, let me jump to the official documentation of the OpenAI, who provided the complete detail about the codex. You can find in this link as well in the video link document. So basically, this is the first introduction about the codex, which is the OpenAI official website. You can see openai.com index introduction dash codex. So basically, Codex is a cloud-based software engineering agent that can work many tasks in parallel. Powered by Codex One, available to ChatGPT Pro, business and enterprise user today and plus user soon. Okay, so basically this is the all about the Codex. So basically, what make difference Codex from ChatGPT? So Codex is too dedicated to help to the developer to do any type of the activity. So how the codex will working? So codex, you can access codex through the sidebar in ChatGPT and assign it new coding tasks by typing prompt click code. So this is a very old, basically updated, but I will show you in the detail like how we can use the codex with the different app, and you can install a app also. I will also guide you to how you can install the app and how you can integrate the codex to the basically chat GPT. So you can go to this is the latest updated ChatGPT Codex page is there. So you can see this is the like look like I already had given like so you in last video as well like how codex look like. So basically this codex look like, and this is the build drive real engineering work. So coming to the codex, so if you are into the uh, using the enterprise model, so you can get from the codex by company, but personally if you are using, so we have the three basically plan is there for the codex. So this is the same for the chat GPT. So plus we have include codex uses for focus coding session each week. So this 2000 around monthly is for the plus. For the pro version, this will be charged for the 10,000 699, and 20 to 50 per user per month for the business use cases. This is called the enterprise level. So in the this is the basically look like of the codex. So we'll next video I will show you like how you can install the codex and basically how you can use the start the codex. So here we have the download for the window, but I will show you step by step how we can download the codex. So thank you so much the completing this session. I will meet again next video. Thank you.